Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Euro USD. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we're bullish. So yes, all these previous highs, this is the trend which is engulfed. You see, resistance is broken. So this last red candle in weekly is broken now, which means we will go up. Coming back to daily time frame, we have made a new high. You can see here. This has broken. Okay, so again, use the line right here. Broken. We are in the bullish uptrend, but I guess we will have to wait for the pullback and coming back to 4 hour for that. So that's easy peasy. This is this was your high, which is not broken yet. So I think price will reject the EMA. So let the price come down until the EMA for your new entry. Okay. So look for longs after the pullback in 4 hour and then blue candle. That's Euro USD for you. Simple. Wait for the setup to build. Till then, subscribe, like, share, join a free Telegram. All links are below my video.